How to find account number Simplii. Log in to your Simplii account on their official website. Navigate to the account summary or account details section. Locate the specific account you need the account number for. Just click on the account to view more detailed information. Look for the account number field within the account details. The account number should be displayed in this section. If not visible, check your monthly statements for the account number. You can also find it on any official correspondence from Simplii. Check the Simplii mobile app for account details and number. Review any emails from Simplii that confirms account creation. Your account number is essential for managing transactions and inquiries. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.